So should I go to like that address that you just texted me? Cause
Yeah.
alright.
Is that in Winston-Salem?
I'm here right now.
Can you ask her if
Oh, I'm like, yeah, I'm about like 25 or something. That's all.
25? I mean, about how mile?
is it in Winston-Salem?
Alright, yeah, just like don't leave because I don't want to be like stranded out there. So
No, I'm not gonna get out.
okay. Yeah, I'm like going to the address you sent me like 5 minutes ago. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
I'm here right now, but I'm gonna start the truck.
It's in Winston-Salem though, the address. I just want to confirm with her. Can you confirm?
Is it in Winston-Salem? It's not Winston. It's in High Point, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's like Trinity. My name is
Trinity. Oh, okay, Trinity. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he's got it.
You got it? Are you sure you know for all that?
I mean, honestly, like, it's snowing, but, like, the roads are, they're fine.
Take exit 195, Clemensville Road, toward North Carolina 109, Thomasville.
I'll be there in, like,
No,
20 minutes.
Well,
Alright, well.
Just don't ditch me, because... No, I'm definitely Uber.
They have small girls, and we cannot stay here.
Yeah, I mean...
I'm
I mean, you don't have to drive, like, we can just get, like, a ride to your place or whatever.
on a word. Good.
Okay, just stay there, we'll figure it out, like, when I get there.
Alright.
Alright, see you in a little bit. God, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? I know you're probably judging me, but
no, I'm not.
you
Trust
should
me.
be, honestly. Because
If you look at my profile, I say I'm not judgmental. It says there specifically.
well, okay, honestly, so I'm like trying to go see this girl. But
Right.
I don't know. Like, she's just.
She's looking forward to seeing you, actually.
She's fucking nervy. I spent like $70 on this phone.
Yeah, that address is in Trinity. We'll be there in 33 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
This is the old address. I'm on that phone. That one is taking us to exactly where we need to go.
Have you ever drove in the snow before?
Yeah, because I used to live in New York, so no
okay.
worries.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, so
I mean, so I actually used to live in Colorado, so
oh, okay.
I'm used to driving in like 3 feet of snow. But
Yes, but you must have a truck or something, right?
yeah, 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes it a lot easier. But
Yeah, but at the same time, I mean, I got brand new tires on this car, so no worries. So Bridgestone tires.
I mean, I'm not
hopefully-
concerned getting there. I'm just like on the way back. I don't want you to be like.
No, it's fine. I'm taking it slow because you know the roads, so I'm not gonna speed up or anything. Just
No, I understand.
because there's hardly any road to drive. It's all snow, and the temperature is 33. But we are good, so that's not bad.
I mean, it's like kind of sticking though, so.
Oh, look at the car. Look at the car. Look at the car.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You want to ask him if he's okay? Are you okay?
You good?
What is he doing? Oh, what is he doing?
I'd honestly just avoid that. I don't know. He's going the wrong way.
He hit his car really bad.
I feel like he's probably drunk.
Drunk, yes, I know. You're right. Yeah.
That is. What?
You want the window down or up?
Oh yeah, up's probably good.
Just want to make sure. I know it's a little bit hard, but I have to keep the windshield a little bit harder.
It's fine in here.
But if you want to open the window, that's fine.
I don't even mind it. So. So I'm in a slight dilemma right now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, so I'm sorry.
So I'm in an Uber, but so do they have cameras in the garage? Well, I forgot my keys and I kind of just like straight like broke the door down, so I'm kind of concerned. I couldn't get out. I was stuck in there. Alex wasn't answering his phone, so I just like ran like really hard and the door just opened. But yeah, I'm just like kind of nervous that they're gonna be like playing as like elephants to me. But like I was in a real dilemma, so I'm honestly, Alex is pissing me off because I know he has his phone on him. I know, but I mean, you answered, so not really proud of my decision tonight, but just gotta roll with it, so. But I don't know, I was just like scared, because, I mean, I guess I guess I didn't break their door, but like, I couldn't get out, so. So, like, I tried to, like, open one of the doors, so I left my keys in my apartment. So, like, you know when you're, like, in the garage, you basically can't get out with, like, your keys, without your keys. So, I was, like, basically trapped in